I on time like.
All right, guys, so this is how you're going to create a Google ad account. It's very easy to do. Make sure that you have a Gmail account. Do not use a Yahoo or a Hotmail or anything like that. It will not work. It has to be a Gmail account, okay? So the first thing that you're going to do is type in Google Ads, okay? All right, once you type in Google Ads, what you're going to do is scroll down till you come to Google Ads, get more customers with easy online advertising. Ads.google.com is the domain. All you want to do is just click there, okay? Now, once you click here, my screen is a little smaller, but you guys will probably see. Let me zoom out here so you guys can get a better view. All right, so this is what it would look like. What you want to do is come over here to Start Now, okay? Once you go to Start Now, if you do not have a Gmail account, you can create one right here in the lower left-hand corner. If you do have a Gmail account, all you have to do is sign in to your Gmail account. So let's get signed in right quick. Okay. Okay, we'll just confirm that. All right, so now once you get inside of your Google Ad account, you're going to be faced with two options, okay? The first option is going to be Starter, where it says set your budget and goals, and we'll take care of the rest. Lightweight maintenance, around 15 minutes per week. Assisted ad setup, optimized keywords, more simple, easy to read performance, okay? And the second one is experience, control your settings and campaign type for search, apps, and more. Ongoing management required, 1 hours per week, 1+ hours per week. Powerful controls for keywords, bidding, and more. Detailed custom performance reports. Now, for all of you who are in done-for-you services, the recommended setting that you would want to have is an experienced setting, okay? Because your developer needs to have all of these options. So you just want to click experience and go to next. Okay, now it's going to give you an option to set up a brand new campaign. But I just want to create an account without a campaign. That's all I want to do. And we're just going to click there. Then you just want to fill in all of this information where it says confirm your business information. This information will be used to create your account. So whatever your billing country is, of course, I'm in the United States. My time zone would be, I would have to set it at Chicago time because I'm central. My currency is a US dollar, but you can set the currency for whatever your currency is inside of your country. After that, all you want to do is click submit. Okay, and you're all done. Now you have a Google ad account and you are ready to start running ads.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling, bitch, I'm